So to start off, you're just gonna cook up some chicken and carrots, finely chopped carrots, in one pan with a little bit of olive oil or butter. And then in the other pan, you're going to boil up some water for noodles. I'm using angel hair noodles, but the recipe, as you'll see down below, calls for really any types of noodles. So yeah. So I got the noodles and then also the pesto. But chicken, carrots, butter, pesto, noodles, and Parmesan is the only thing you need for this recipe. And it's actually a really easy recipe. Nate did not like it at all, but I thought it was really good and really flavorful. It was something different as opposed to the normal spaghetti with the red sauce or Alfredo that we normally make. So I actually really enjoyed this meal, and I'll be making it for myself for lunches every now and then, but it just won't be served as a dinner meal anymore. And after your chicken is fully cooked and you have your noodles cooked and drained, you're just going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pesto into your chicken and then mix that up really good and fine. I only did 3 tablespoons because, like I said, this is the first time I've tried this recipe, or I've actually ever had pesto, so I wasn't sure if I would like it or not, but I actually really do like it. Then you're going to add about 2 tablespoons of butter to your noodles and get that nice and melted and coat the noodles with it. Next time I make this, I'll actually just melt the butter and then put it in the noodles that way, because I feel like it would make it easier just to get the butter melted and all on the noodles. But you're just melting the butter and mixing it in really good and well with the noodles. And then you're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of pesto to your noodles as well. To finish off, you're just going to add some Parmesan into the noodles. The recipe doesn't say put it in the noodles, but I decided to go ahead and put it inside of the noodles because I know Parmesan noodles with cheese melted into the noodles is so good. So I went ahead and put Parmesan cheese in the noodles and mixed that in really well and got it all melted. recommend serving this with a side of vegetables. I feel like broccoli would go pretty good with it, but I just didn't feel like making veggies, so especially since I was just trying out this recipe, it was kind of for a late lunch snack type meal. But that's all. Super easy. It took maybe 30 minutes and it was delicious. Like I said, Nate didn't like it, but I really, really liked it. But I hope you guys enjoy, and if you make this recipe, definitely let me know how you liked it down below here. Have a great day and enjoy your food. Until next time.